Welcome back to my channel. I didn't actually script this video, which is against what I have learned, what I've learned like for the past 1 month. Like 1 month ago, I started a channel where I was trying to make money online. And if you watch that video very well, like in my mind, I was more hesitant to talk about copywriting. But what copywriting has shown to me was beyond my own imagination. I thought that copywriting was just like, I didn't have a full understanding, but I knew very well that if you wanted to make money online, copywriting was one of the popular topics. You understand? To my research now, I can fully say that I see copywriting everywhere. In YouTube scripts, in sales pages. Sales pages is even more in depth, Sales pages are even more in depth, but in YouTube scripts, copywriting is applied in our day-to-day psychology. There's a way you could use copywriting to bring out the pain in someone to like make money from that. That is copywriting, and I just did this as an update, because I didn't want to be like every day, bro. Push it back, bro. I didn't wanted it to be like every day I'm gonna post or an update like I did this in a day, I did this in a day. Tomorrow I'm gonna be like, okay, I deleted this. I didn't want it to be like that, But it's gonna take a while. And I won't have a whole note like about things I learned from this particular copywriting course. I have a lot of things I learned, and this are, even though you can't see it, yeah, it's too bright. Let me see if okay. Yeah, these are pages of things I wrote. These are pages. It's kind of too bright. Okay. These are pages of things I wrote from what I learned. These are pages of things I learned. And I would like to say thank you to the guy that taught me things. I'm currently at the module 5, but don't worry, I'm going to talk about other business models later. But KG, thank you. I already feel like I'm starting to make money, but I'm not going to remind myself to the fact that I'm going to go bald. Seriously, how am I going to go bald? If I don't make my first $1,000 in the next 6 months, which is kind of hard for someone like me and you who has no mentor. I don't have, bro, look at this man. This relation, my account balance, it should be like 8 or 9. It should, even the money that is inside safe, I'm not sure if it even mine, because I'm not with my card. That's how the situation is. I don't have any motive that, okay, let me say, if I were in school now, I was supposed to be in school by now, but things and things, investing and things, but every disappointment is a blessing. But if I was in school by now, what would I be doing? Because I know that I will be the one doing everything, and God is great, I just thank God every day. Thank God for giving me this knowledge. From what I've learned, I can't even stay up to 2 hours doing nothing. I can't even imagine how people stay up to 12 hours sitting and doing nothing. That is just like in the Bible it says that or idle man is devil's workshop. I'm not sure if it's listening in the Bible, but in Nigeria we say that. But yeah, I understand it now. You shouldn't be dormant, or you all shouldn't be in this way that yes, if this thing work for this guy, it must work. Everyone has their own unique purpose in this life, God didn't make us and say that this category of people, this is your own. Since you are like this is how all your kind will get this money. This is how all your kinds will have this, I know this is supposed to be an update, but this have actually made my mind more broader. Like, you can't say that all tall black people are supposed to be the LeBrons, you know. Like, I'm not gonna classify myself as tall because I've seen a lot of tall boys that I'm like, oh shit. What? How are you that tall? Like, I'll be like, okay, yeah, he's gonna be a basketballer. Like, yo could be tall and be the richest and not do basketball. Everybody has their own kind, and you have to be focused to know what your purpose is on this life. Like, I was like, the way this topic is going, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna name this as an update, or should I name this as how to leverage in life. Like, I literally don't know, but I hope this gets to the audience that he has to get to. But I know I'm gonna write this and the algorithm is gonna be mistaken. Like, I'm literally confusing the video, but I hope this helps. But on the update in forex trading, so I've officially finished the 168 pages of forex trading last month. I'm like, should I do on 9 to 5? Because I literally have all the whole times to watch the year end. Should I do 9 to 5? But there's going to be a point where, yeah, my parents are gonna be like fed up and not wants me to be just idle, and so, you know. And I'm gonna go do a 9 to 5 for sure, but I have to get the knowledge I need. I know that this knowledge, I know that millennials don't believe in making money online. Millennials don't believe in the internet, the power of the internet. Millennials don't believe or know what the power of internet can do. Just 30% of them knows. 70% of them, oh, that go and do doctor, go and do this. I know it must be this, must be that, it must be that. All this are just, I can promise you that I didn't script this video. Like, I like the way I'm getting confident. Like, if you want to be a YouTuber, consistency is gonna help you be confident in the camera. And I would like to shout out to those who inspired me, like the likes of Daniel Hustle. According to Making Money Online, Daniel Hustle inspired me. In YouTube in general, Phase Rug, he inspired me. I've watched many of his videos, but I mostly watch his old videos because his current content is just flashy. This, eat that, eat this, order this. But I'm a huge fan of him. And I watch Eric, I watch Rain Tryon. Like, if you realize, POV, you have how do you call it? A homemade tripod. Like, he just collapsed. So if you realize, I just called the names of people who aren't from Nigeria. Not that I hate my country, but the niche I like. Most Nigerians don't carry it. If you realize, Nigerians, what we carry is make money online. We carry comedy. Like, this is a new niche. Like, no one is like, there's no competition in this niche in Nigeria. You know, just a few of them knows this niche. And the likes of Shank, they just came in on the space to take over. You know, this for Nigerians, like for Nigerians, because there are a lot of big people out there. Man. I know this. Wait, I'm so sorry that this is supposed to be an update, but I hope this helps you anywhere you are, anywhere in the world. Be unique. This taught me to be unique, you know. And I apologize, and I will still apologize for the clickbait I did. I feel so bad doing that. I did that 10 months ago. And if you realize, I did a 10-month space so that the algorithm will forget my audience, because I'm trying to diversify my audience, you know. I don't want to be in the crypto space. And airdrop are good, but it's not gonna last the way I think. But I'm gonna make this video so quick because my phone memory is gonna fill up soon. So I was talking about YouTubers, right? If you wanna be a better person in the camera, it's not gonna, they didn't build Rome in a day, You can't go from secondary school to college in a day, you get me? So it's gonna be built on a step by step process, which is gonna take a while. In this process, I'm currently on trying to get how do you call it, confidence in the camera. But yeah, we build everything step by step, But sorry, I have siblings in the house. I forgot what I said because POV living with siblings. This is why I really want to make their life easier and also have my own privacy. I can't be 16 and be living in my parents. Yo don't see this as a shame, but I do. I see this as a shame. I feel like once you are 15 or 16, you should have your own place. That's how it's supposed to be. And me getting this exposure so quick made me know things things serious. It's made me know things. And I've been watching Daniel's hustle for a long time, a really, really long time, for a really long time. I started watching him when I was 14. I have a book of, I still have that book. I think I still have that book. I'm coming. You should wait a while. I still have that book. So this is the book right here. I'm gonna be easy with it because look at my camera is shaking. Okay. So this is actually the book. This book I have about, let me see how many. I have about a lot of ideas. When I started YouTube, that's 2 years ago. 1 year to be precise. But I started planning before I opened the YouTube channel. I have about 158 YouTube ideas. This is just the power of planning. I didn't know this until now. This is what that particular course have made me exposed to, And if you want to get that course, really, really recommend that course. If you want to get the course, join the Telegram group below. I'm gonna draft a lot of country names. Once you see your country name, you tap the link and you get the course. I promise you, this course will change your life. How it will change the way you view onto life. I'm in the process of learning right now, but if I put it into application every day, I know for certain that I'm not gonna spoil it, but I know for certain I'm gonna stop there because I ain't good. So moving on to CPA marketing. CPA marketing, I discovered that if I learn copywriting in the right way, if I learn copywriting the way that is gonna be on the master level, I know that affiliate marketing and CPA marketing is not gonna be an issue. Here why. So I learned that copywriting is the art of persuasion. So if you realize as a beginner that you or an I can even testify with you, okay, they're warning me that my phone storage is full. If you realize you as a copy affiliate or CPA marketer, you be begging people that please, I have this product, this is gonna help you. That is not copy, that's not how you sell. That's what this course actually taught me. You actually bring out the pain points you are broke, you are this, you are that, you are living in a family house, you are this, you can't achieve this, the negative pains in them. Then you bring out what will solve that problem. You bring out that if you do this, you will solve your problem for good and you will live the life you want to live. That is copywriting. You see, this is just so powerful. I'm just so happy. I'm just so happy. I understand it right now. If I grasp this, CPA marketing and affiliate marketing won't be an issue. That's why I'm not putting more emphasis on copyright on CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. But YouTube, I'm doing it right now. I'm trying to build up a fan base and all those things. So I highly recommend. This is just the update I have after 1 month. I don't want this channel to be forgotten by algorithm or stuff, but this is what I did. And I'm so certain that I won't have a lot of breaks in this video. This is just the power of what? Consistency. Consistently. Like I'm constantly filming myself. I'm getting um confident at the camera. I'm not even aware of I'm in the flow state right now. I don't even care whether anybody's watching me. Like this is just the power of what? Consistency. It builds your confidence and also okay, my temperature is high. It's gonna auto off, but I hope you get the concept of what I'm saying. So this is gonna be actually the end of the video, and I hope you like and subscribe. And yeah, I hope I covered everything because I didn't skip this video. So in case I don't cover it, follow up and I'll cover it. And don't forget to join. Yeah, you guessed right. My phone storage actually got filled up. But what I actually wanted to say is, don't forget to join my Telegram group. And that group is where I know we change every perspective of you as a beginner. So take action and don't wait for the next mere opportunity. Have a nice day.